Yeah, so guys, how you doing, guys? So today I just want to show you how I took uh these uh these setups on gold, right? So this was the original setup that I took. So I just want to explain a little bit on how I took my entries, and I'm going to use the playing bar, so back play bar, so that we can see the. I think when I posted my setup, the market was around this place. I'm just going to delete this so that I can explain a little bit of my entries, the type of entries I took. Yeah, so it'll take a few minutes. So this was my setup that I had posted yesterday. Sorry, yesterday on my TikTok video. And this is where it is. Let me show you something here. I think it's, yeah, this is what I had posted. Right, let me see. If it will open the file. I'm using an old laptop, man, so it's very slow. So this, you see, this is what I had posted, and I was expecting this market to drop after taking out the first IDM line. So you go back to the market, right? Go back there, here. So when you're here, waiting for the first pullback to be taken out, and if I can just play to show you how it was, it did. So here, waiting this one to be taken out, right? So it's done, like it's out. So that's where I look for my first entry. Into type 1, I'll go to, because my high time frame is always my high time frame is always 15 minutes, so I'll go to the lower time frame. I'm only explaining the entries. I go to the lower time frame. So the inducement is taken out, I confirm the loss. I'll go to the 1 minute time frame to check if I can see something, and a confirmation, then a sweep of liquidity. And if you look at this, let me just go back to 15 minutes a little bit. Okay, look at this, everything here. This is like a trend line liquidity. Trend line liquidity around here, around this zone. Come on, what's up? Yeah. So you can see this, it's just something related to trend line liquidity. So for me, I'll be so happy if the market takes out the liquidity. But first of all, I have three types of entries. So I'm going to go to 1 minute and look around to see if I can see anywhere if the liquidity is swept. And when you look at this, I can already see the first entry. Liquidity has been swept. We can see the candle has swept the previous candle. Let me just zoom more, because I came to realize that my screen, sometimes people don't see everything as supposed to appear. So look at this. This is a clear liquidity sweep. All right. First of all, the inducement was taken out. So when inducement is taken out with risk, the first place where I can sell from is this. All right. See, that is the liquidity has been tapped on the lower time frame. Even you can see, as somebody will ask me, why not here? Even here it was tapped, but there's no candle that happened to close below. I want a next candle, yeah? The next candle to close below this candle, to close below here. Let me show you. Yeah. And I want another candle to close below. I call that single candle order block. Other people call it, they call it, how do you call them? They call it engulfing candle, but depend. For me, it's not engulfing because there's a way I look at it, all right? Okay, so this way I'm gonna put my entry just below that. The my stop loss is gonna just be above it. And where am I targeting? I'm targeting the 15 minutes low. 15 minutes low. Where's the 15 minutes low? We go to the high time frame, the 15 minutes. This is our first entry, okay? This is our first entry. So let's see where's the 15 minutes low. Here. This is the low I'm going to target. Okay, so this is the low that I'm going to target. So I'm using, not using a mouse today, so I'm struggling with my fingers on this laptop. So where is my target? This one. This is where I'm targeting the 15 minutes low. That's my first entry. Okay, because inducement is taken out and I have a low time frame confirmation, and most of the time I'm only risking 0.5 of my account. So we're gonna go to 1 minute again and see if the market will have to push back in that zone, because let me just lock this one so that it does not move. No, it's too wide. Let me just do this. Reduce a little bit the size, then lock it. Okay, so I'm going to play, and first of all, I want to explain what I'm waiting for me to, you see this candle already has closed below. It has closed below. So what I want the next candle is to open and push back into zone, then push down. That's the kind of confirmation I use. So let me see. Display. You can see candle tapped on a zone. So this was a sell limit and it's now activated. Okay. So let's see what the market does. And if the market breaks this low, let me show you. Let me show you something. If it breaks this low, I'll have, if it breaks this low, then I'll have a change of character. Change of character is just another confirmation with the market trying to push more down. Where this one is a good one. This is a good pullback. If it breaks this one, then I'll be happy to keep increasing the selling positions. So this one will be a change of character in the lower time frame. But again, if this market, because I know that if the market takes out the previous high, for example, it's dropping, it gives me something like this, psychologically, I'll understand. Sorry, I want to use a good thing. Okay, market gives me something like, what the hell is happening? Okay, I know. If the market gives me something like this, okay, I believe that these are move people happen to sell here and the stop loss is here. So I'll wait for the market to go up, take out the stop loss, then for me, I can now take my entries, I can sell. That's what I mean. So if the market's gonna do something of that sort here, let me show you something like this. It goes up, it goes down, then I'll sell. Okay, I'll sell on this level. It's too hard to use fingers to diagnose. Right, so let's see. Let's see what the market does. Okay, it's pushing down, pushing down. We need inducement, pushing down. All right. Now, okay, now we have our first inducement is here. A first pullback. See here. If this pullback is taken out, then I'm going to increase another selling position to add one more selling position, because already now the market is gonna keep pushing down because at the high time frame to shift off liquidity. So let's see. Inducement has to be taken out. Oh, I didn't tap this. This is called inducement for me. So again, for me to sell this, I want to see another candle closing below, below this zone. If it closes below, then I'll have another entry there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so closing. Want it to close below? Yeah, there we go. So that one positions closed, and is, if you can see, have another supply zone. Look at this candles mitigated this shadow. There's no imbalance. This is only place with the imbalance. This one. So already it has stepped to a supply zone, not a frame supply zone, but I'm not selling direct. I need more confirmation. So a confirmations that I only put my entry here. My stop loss I have to put above that zone because I've seen a single candle order block. And where am I targeting? Am I targeting the 15 minutes low? So let's see first if this market is coming back into our zone. Let me play a little bit. So we go to the high time frame. I want it to push back, okay? The thing is this, I want the market to push back in this zone, then push down. That one, I call it single candle order block. So let's see. Okay, 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 we are in now. The trade is now activated because that was a kind of a sell zone, sell limit. So I'm going to do something. We go to the high time frame and see. Let the market play out. Just unlock this one so that I can. Okay, up to that level. So we go to the 15 minutes time frame because that's our level, that's our zone, that's our area where we are targeting. Okay, that's where we are targeting. All right. So I hope this is visible to everyone. As you can see, so this is where I'm targeting. Okay, this is where I'm targeting this low. And mostly if I have two positions, the third one I'll always leave it to run into profit because I believe that the market is going to go past that zone. So let me play and see. We hit the stop loss, we hit the stop loss, you see. We're still in the trade. We are still in the trade. So let's see. Okay, let me just play it all along, see what the market does. And you can see that's how you hit your TP. So that one was done. That's it. And that's the thing I wanted to show you. Others ni hivyo tu manze. Hii kitu kielewa, enjoy it. You enjoy, and again I can show something. Look at this. Sema, hii ndio the law. Hapa sasa hii ndio law yetu. Hii ndio tunaita law. Okay, that's a new break of structure. Hii ni break structure mpya. When is it? The new boss. Okay. Kama ni boss tunataka tu inducement. Inducement iko wapi? Inducement ndio hii. Inducement iko wapi? Inducement ndio hii hapa. If the market takes out that level, again, I look for a sell, manze. And if you can see, let me just play along. And you can see there's a supply zone here. This is a supply zone, a good supply zone. There's this shadow. The problem is, come on, so. Kuna hii shadow hapa manzi. Hii market kiza tapu hapa, mi napiga sell ingine muenda. I can have something of this sort. Just a sell limit there, then I just wait. Again, I target where? This low. Can target this low. Let's see if the market will take out the first pullback and push down. You can see. And that's how you hold your trade. So today is on weekend. The trade was still running, but I don't hold trades on weekend. So that's it, man. That's it. That's what I want to share with you. Now, I think if you get a good setup, a working strategy, man, you enjoy the market. Otherwise, have a good day. Keep watching, follow, like, and share.